In this episode, we're going to solve the FizzBuzz problem using VB.net. Create a new project, and we're going to choose Visual Basic. We're going to create a console application. Let's call this FizzBuzz VB. All right, first thing we need to do is make this a little bigger so that you can actually see it. Let's go to Tools and Options, and let's choose Fonts and Colors. Let's take this up to about 16. Hit OK. Now you can read this. All right, let's begin writing code. Make some room here. And we need to create our for loop to iterate through our numbers. For I equals 1 to 100. Let's put some spacing in here. Now, say if I mod 15, since that's the 3 times 5, the first multiple of that, equals 0, then. Now let's do else if I mod 3 equals 0. Else if I mod 5 equals 0. All right, let's put some spacing in here. And now let's begin to print our outputs. So let's say console.writeLine, FizzBuzz for anything that is divisible by 15, and now console.writeLine, Fizz for anything that is divisible by 3, and then lastly console.writeLine, Buzz for anything that is divisible by 5. We need our else, just print the number itself, so console.writeLine I. Okay, that looks good. Let's run this. And wow, that was fast. It looked like it worked, but we need to go back and make sure that it works. So let's add a catch here, and let's say console.readline, and that'll make sure that the console window stays open until we close it. All right, and there we go. Now that looks much better. Now you can see instead of 3, you've got Fizz all the way down. Okay, now what we want to do is make sure that it's a little cleaner. So instead of just writing FizzBuzz or Fizz or Buzz, let's actually write the number and the word. So let's do string.format, and we're going to use curly braces curly brace 0 curly brace for our argument, which is going to be the number itself that we're iterating through. And so, for example, here it'll be 15 FizzBuzz. So next we've got a parameter of the I. Let's copy that and let's replace this. Change this to just Fizz. Let's do the same thing for the 5. Let's change that to Buzz. And we are good. Let's run this again. That looks good. Much easier to read. Very clean. And this is a simple implementation of FizzBuzz in VB.net. Thanks for tuning in. For more tutorials, code snippets, and information about Burris Consulting Group and what we do, visit burris.co.